Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unbagging this JACKEL Radon / Sump dome. It is made for, of course, covering an existing sump pit, and it also allows you to pipe out radon gas. This was 120 bucks shipped on Amazon. This is the one with the window in it. Do not cheap out and get the one without the window. Just trust me. You'll regret it. This is actually my second one that I've purchased. I installed the other one and I've already had to peek in to make sure that the pump was working because I didn't hear it run. And if I hadn't got the one with the window, I would have had to unscrew all the screws, lift the cover up. It's just, get the window. All right, so without further ado, there it is, JACKEL ink, the original Radon sump dome. Here's the sides of it. Go all the way around. Here's the underside of it. You'll see that it comes with the little I don't know what you'd call them, nuts, inserts, whatever, installed. And then we have the actual cover. Got the window here. I'm just gonna unpeel it. Same with my other one. You're gonna have like plastic stuck under the nut. And I really don't like that, but I don't know if I want to mess with the seal and take the nut out, just for a little cosmetic thing. All right, here's the cover as it comes. And it comes with a 1.5 inch fitting installed for your sump pipe. This hole here is for the grommet for your electrical. Now let's open the bag, take a look. You have your rubber gasket for your lid. I contacted JACKEL support and they said that it doesn't matter which way this gasket faces. It can face down, it can face up. I recommend doing it with the flat part against the lid. That way you can put the nuts through and actually like tighten them, and it'll pull the gasket towards the lid, and it'll hold the gasket on better. I've seen people in the reviews on Amazon say they had to like silicone this gasket. I didn't have any trouble putting it on by just putting the screws through all of it first and then kind of spinning it. Okay, so here's everything that's in it. I think this could be used as an inspection hole if you didn't have the window. You'd have a very small inspection hole with that one. It also comes with a sizing tool for how to drill your pipes. So you just put the sizer tool with these little tangs there, and it fits perfectly, and then you just drill the hole size that you need. There's like an indicator. That's pretty clever. I didn't use the side holes on mine, but that's like really class, as they say. It has these kind of compression grommets that you put the washer into, and then so this is the 2-inch one. I think you would just press this one, but to do like this one, you put the gasket in here, put it over your 1-inch pipe, and there you go. You got these little, what are they called, hubs? Alright, here's the instruction manual. It looks like it was printed on a 1990s inkjet, or that's been copied a lot of times. It's hard to read with the very blurry instructions, but You're supposed to use these for when you drill additional holes using the guide here. So for example, the 2-inch hub, you'd want to drill a 2 3/4 inch hole so that it would fit the hub, if that makes sense for you.